right, so we have our middle distance and distance phase 2 strength for our winter training session. We're going to start out with 1A, which is open books. So open books, we're going to lay on our side, resting our head and our hand right like this. We're going to take our top leg and pin the knee down to the ground, closing the book. And what we want to do is keep the knee pinned the entire time, open the book as far as we can possibly go. Exhale, come on back, close the book. We want to do that 8 times per side, keeping that knee pinned. Because if we let it come up, we're not getting that good thoracic rotational spine mobility. All right, so that's your open books. We're going to pair that with 1B, which is box sprint stride jumps. And with those, we want to get ourselves into good running posture. And essentially what we want to do is drive both legs up and the knee up and the arms as we go up. So like this. Driving the arms, driving the knee up, toe up. All right, and we're going to do 8 per side, and then we'd switch and do the other side. All right. After that, we're going to go into the second superset. 2A is single leg box squats. Whenever we go single leg like this, we want to take our shoes off. All right. And here we're focused on really tracking the knee and the hip in line with where our toes are pointing, which is straight ahead. So we're going single leg, really slow descent, about 5 seconds. Sit. You can come up with 1 or you can come up with 2. I'm completely fine with either. We really care about that downwards movement, really slow, really much in line with what we're doing. One more time. Nice and slow and in line. Good. From there we can put our shoes back on and we're going to move to half squat dumbbell thrusters. We have 15 of those. Get my dumbbells. So first we want to start up nice and tall. If this is 0 degrees, this is 90. We want to be about 45 degrees. With our elbows, we're going to come down about half squat and use our hips to come all the way up. Okay? Half, like that. Hiding our ears from the side when we go up. All right, we'll do 15 of those, and we'll keep rotating back and forth between the two. We move on to the third superset, which is single arm dumbbell row. With these, I'd like you to get into a push-up position. We're gonna have our dumbbell, start from a hang. We're gonna explode right up to our chest, and nice and slow on the way back down, on up, and back down without really rotating the hips at all. We want to stay stable in our hips. Driving up, coming back down. We want to do 15 of those per side. All right? We're going to pair that with 3B, which is lateral push-off lunge. Also 15 per side. Completely fine to start out without any weight. So, just hands are out. We want to go out to the side, just like we do in warm-ups. Top of thigh parallel with the ground. Pushing off, push off, whoa, sitting back, pushing off. When we're ready for weight, hold it like this, like a goblet squat, up nice and tall, here, push off, sitting back, push off. So from the side, like that, sitting back, staying tall, pushing off, okay? After our lateral push-off lunge, and then we get to a fourth superset. Fourth superset being side plank cable press. Either use a cable or a band. I'm going to use a band in this particular instance. And so we want to get ourselves in a... and the cameraman's down, but he's okay. He's back up. You all right?
Yeah.
Side plank here. And we want to press out. Staying in that same plane and right back. So always pushing it out as far as we can, keeping a neutral wrist rather than like that. Neutral wrist, Coming back to our chest, out and back 15 per side there. And then we want to pair that with 4B, which is a marching bridge with our feet on the bench. We're going to do 30 total marches, so 15 per side. And we want to go weighted once we feel comfortable with the movement and our hips can stay up the entire time. So kind of holding the weight there, and we're just marching like this, keeping the hips up. Driving through the heels, just like we do when we warm up. And that is day 1 for phase 2 of your middle distance and distance strength. Thank you.